So I lose the police. Wait, why are they coming after me? Uh-oh. This ain't good. Don't see me. Hiccups. Rage gives me the hiccups. Apparently. Robert 20774, thank you for that follow. Oh, no. Run. Sorry. About the hiccups. No, 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 no. Run. Just run. Hiccups again. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Please just kill me. Please. This idiot, man. Why? Actually, you know what? Really? That didn't get their attention? Wow. What? Now I have to go back to the military base to find another cargo bob. Fly that cargo bob to the compound. My life is just... I can't. I can't. I can't. People, I can't. I just can't. This idiot teammate of mine.